Every 18 seconds, a senior driver visits the ER after a parking lot fender bender. Think about that for a moment. That's nearly 2 million emergency room visits a year, just from minor car incidents. Today, I'm not just talking about cars. I'm prescribing 8 SUVs that can slash that risk to almost zero, giving you back your confidence and independence behind the wheel. We're cutting through the usual car review jargon, ditching the stress, and focusing on the 2025 models that genuinely let you slide in easily, see out clearly, and breathe easy every single mile. Number 8. Ford Escape. Kicking off our list at number 8 is the 2025 Ford Escape. This compact SUV is a fantastic entry point for senior-friendly driving. What makes it stand out? Well, for starters, you'll appreciate the wide door openings and a seat cushion that's just 26 inches off the ground. That means no awkward crouching to get in, and no strenuous climbing to get out. It's designed for a smooth, natural slide right into the driver's seat. This makes a huge difference if you have arthritis, knee issues, or just want to avoid unnecessary strain. But it's not just about getting in. It's about staying safe on the road. The Escape comes standard with Ford's Copilot 360 suite of driver assist technologies. This isn't just fancy marketing. It's a collection of features that genuinely have your back. It watches your blind spots, so you're less likely to miss a car lurking beside you on the highway. And if a grocery cart rocket unexpectedly darts out in the parking lot, or more seriously, another vehicle brakes suddenly, its pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking can hit the brakes for you if you don't react in time, helping to prevent or mitigate an impact. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. Sliding into the 7th spot, we have the Mazda CX-5. This SUV often feels like it was practically carved around a human spine. Mazda pays incredible attention to ergonomics, and it really shows here. The lumbar support, for instance, bulges exactly where kyphosis, that gentle forward curve of the upper spine that can become more pronounced with age, starts. This thoughtful design helps maintain proper posture, reducing fatigue and discomfort, especially on longer journeys. Inside, you'll find a 7-inch infotainment screen that manages to run Apple CarPlay without a single buried menu. No endless swiping, no frustration trying to find a simple function. It's intuitive, straightforward, and keeps your focus where it belongs, on the road. This is a huge win, as complex infotainment systems can be a major distraction for older drivers. And when it comes to visibility, the CX-5 rivals a fishbowl. Its A-pillars, those front supports on either side of the windshield, are so remarkably thin, you'll swear they're missing altogether. This means fewer blind spots and a much clearer view of intersections, pedestrians, and traffic, making every turn and lane change a little bit safer and a lot less stressful. Number 6. Hyundai Tucson. Our 6th place contender is the Hyundai Tucson, and it brings some truly clever design choices to the table. One of the most impactful changes for 2025 is that Hyundai has moved the shifter to the dashboard or steering column, depending on the trim. Why is this a big deal? It frees up the entire center console, creating a flat floor that you can easily swing your feet across when entering or exiting the vehicle. This eliminates a common tripping hazard and makes getting settled much easier, especially if you have mobility challenges or use a cane. No more awkward maneuvers around a bulky shifter. Once you're in, you can enjoy the 8-way power adjustable seat. This level of customization allows you to fine-tune your driving position for optimal comfort and support, ensuring you exit the car without that familiar old man grunt or stiffness. It's about finding your perfect ergonomic fit. And here's a bonus feature that grandparents, in particular, absolutely love: a rear seat reminder. Number 5. Toyota RAV4. Halfway up our list, the Toyota RAV4 holds its throne for legendary reliability. For seniors, reliability isn't just a buzzword, it's peace of mind. It means fewer unexpected trips to the mechanic, less hassle, and the confidence that your car will start every time you need it, whether it's for a doctor's appointment or a cross-country visit to the grandkids. Toyota's reputation for dependable vehicles is a huge asset here. The 2025 model introduces a thoughtful comfort feature: seat cushion tilt. You can now roll the front edge of the seat cushion down, which helps relax your thighs and improve circulation on long drives. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in preventing discomfort and numbness. It's a game changer for those multi-hour road trips. Beyond comfort, the RAV4 comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This is absolutely crucial for maintaining your lane discipline and safety, especially during night driving after bingo night, when visibility can be compromised. Are you liking what you're hearing so far? I hope so. If these insights are helping you think about your next vehicle, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps YouTube show this video to more people. Number 4, Subaru Forester. Coming in at number 4. The Subaru Forester truly embraces visibility. Its design keeps its windows tall and the beltline low, giving you an almost panoramic view, like driving inside a greenhouse. This expansive glass area significantly reduces blind spots and makes navigating crowded parking lots or merging onto busy highways much safer and easier. Subaru's renowned EyeSight camera system is strategically positioned at senior eye level. Unlike systems mounted lower down, EyeSight sees what you see, not just the bumper of the car ahead. This allows its advanced features like adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking to react more intuitively to the road conditions you're observing. It's like having an extra pair of highly vigilant eyes constantly scanning the road for potential hazards. And for all-weather confidence, the Forester's standard symmetrical all-wheel drive is a dream. This automatic seamless capability means you can drive with unwavering confidence, regardless of the weather conditions, keeping you safe and secure on every journey. Number 3, Honda CR-V. Our bronze medalist, taking the number 3 spot, is the Honda CR-V. Honda has made a significant improvement this year, widening the door cut by 3 full inches. This might sound like a small detail, but for my patients recovering from new knee or hip replacements, or anyone with limited mobility, it's a game changer. They can swing their legs in and out with ease, without having to lift their leg like a marching band member. It genuinely makes entry and exit less painful and more dignified. Comfort and convenience extend to your wallet too. The hybrid version of the CR-V returns an impressive 40 miles per gallon combined. Let's put that into perspective. That could work out to about $400 saved per year in fuel costs, depending on your driving habits. Think about it. That's money you can spend on the grandkids, a nice dinner out, or a well-deserved vacation, instead of constantly filling up at the pump for OPEC. It's a practical choice that offers both comfort and significant financial savings, allowing you to enjoy your retirement without constantly worrying about fuel expenses. Number 2, Kia Telluride. Our runner-up, the Kia Telluride, is the perfect 3-row SUV for seniors who simply refuse to downsize their friendships or their family gatherings. This isn't just a big SUV. It's designed to make transporting loved ones a joy, not a chore. The available second-row captain's chairs are key here. Instead of awkwardly clambering over a bench seat, you can walk straight through to the spacious third row, making entry and exit for all passengers a breeze. No gymnastics required. For the driver, the Telluride offers advanced assistance that makes long drives feel shorter and less fatiguing. Its highway driving assist system actively helps keep you centered in your lane, even on gentle curves. This means your hands can stay relaxed on the wheel, rather than white-knuckled and gripping tight, constantly correcting. It's an intelligent co-pilot that reduces driver fatigue and enhances overall safety, allowing you to arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to enjoy your time with friends and family. Number 1, Genesis GV60. And now, for the prescription for absolute peace of mind, our top pick, the 2025 Genesis GV60. This vehicle isn't just an SUV. It's a sanctuary designed with meticulous attention to detail for the discerning senior driver. The entry height is dentist chair perfect, meaning you slide sideways into the seat with minimal effort. No ducking, no bending, just a smooth, graceful transition. It's truly effortless. Once inside, you're enveloped in luxury and thoughtful design. The quilted seats feature inflatable side bolsters that gently hug your shoulders, providing customized support and comfort for arthritic shoulders or anyone needing a little extra cushioning on their journey. It's like a personalized embrace. But where the GV60 truly shines is in its commitment to safety. It boasts an impressive 10 airbags, including a groundbreaking one positioned between the front seats. This innovative airbag is specifically designed to prevent passenger side hip fracture in the event of a side impact, a critical injury prevention measure for older occupants. Furthermore, the GV60 leverages cutting-edge technology with over-the-air updates. This means its safety software and other systems are continuously refreshed and improved while you sleep, making the car literally grow safer and smarter with age, quite the opposite of our knees. Wouldn't you agree? It's a vehicle that cares for you, constantly adapting and protecting. So, there you have it. 8 outstanding SUVs, each offering unique features to keep you out of my ER and enjoying your golden years behind the wheel. All of these fantastic options start under 40 grand, except for our top-tier Genesis GV60, but even that luxury model costs significantly less than a single hip replacement surgery, which can easily run into 6 figures. When you look at it that way, the investment in safety and comfort is truly priceless. Subscribe for more doctor-approved car advice, because growing older should never, ever mean giving up the keys, or the joy and independence that comes with them. Stay safe out there.